my beautiful queens. Thank you so much for tuning in for another video. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Maggie and I do all types of self-care videos. If that's something you may be interested in, please stick around by hitting that subscribe button so that you never miss another upload. But if you're just here for the title, then so yes, today is going to be my part 2 to 7 ways to raise your vibrations, to be in good spirits, 7 things that we can do today to raise our vibrations. So let's just jump into this video now. Now, as I mentioned, this is part 2, so please after this video go ahead and check out part 1 while I also give some really awesome tips. So today's first tip is to treat yourself to something special today. I don't know about you, but every time I go out and I find myself, you know, buying something just for me, which is usually like fresh flowers, or also I really love to shop at the thrift store. So something I like to treat myself to something at the thrift store or Walmart. I mean, whatever it is, treating yourself today is definitely a great way to boost your mood and to raise your vibration. So definitely don't forget about you. So my second way to raise your vibration today is to repeat or say affirmations that lift you up or that encourage you. So that's when the journaling and the, you know, printing out affirmations and scriptures all around your house comes to play, because sometimes we all can get into that just like damper mood, right, where we just need to uplift ourselves, right? And the quickest way to do that is to glance over or, you know, find an affirmation. And that's why I stress to like put them around your house, so you don't have to worry about looking them up or find one that's perfect for you. No, you already have them around your house, you already have them on your desk. And that is probably my favorite ways to uplift me or to raise my vibration, is to speak a word to myself, you know. So definitely don't forget about affirmations or scriptures. My third way to raise our vibration today is to bathe in natural sunlight or natural water. So guys, we are finally getting a little bit of spring weather here in Michigan. Like the snow is finally melting, and I believe today is going to be like 52 degrees. Like, this is such a big difference just from last week when we were like below 0, -3, 6 inches of snow. Like, oh, Michigan is just so bipolar. But yeah, us being cooped up in the house all this time, what better way to just release some of that you know, tenseness than to bathe in a little bit of sunlight. So that whether that's sunbathing, and yes, us brown girls can tan. I don't tan for the purpose of tanning. I like to sit in the sunlight for the purpose of vitamin D and the purpose of sunlight, the purpose of relaxing. So, or natural water, right? Maybe you want to hit the beach today, or maybe, you know, you want to hit the river or the creek or whatever it is to, you know, swim and have a little bit of you know, playtime in the water. That's definitely a great way. Every time we spend time outside, that's one of our best moments. So definitely don't forget about sunlight or natural water to raise your vibrations. All right, my fourth way to raise our vibration today, and that is to sing and or dance to your favorite songs or your favorite gospel music. So I have tons of gospel music that is just literally my go-tos whenever I just need a little bit of praise and a little bit of worship. Or your girl is a rock girl too. I am a 90s early 2000s rock enthusiast. Like I literally grew up in that era, you know, and I just love my alternative or my rock music or my R&B or my you know, some hip-hop songs that I really love. And it's actually proven, guys, that spending a couple minutes just listening to some of your favorite songs each day is proven to not only raise your vibrations, but put you in a better mood, to boost your energy, right, to kind of get you in that happy place again. So don't forget about your favorite songs and dances. Okay, tip number 5, and that is to send loving messages or to FaceTime or to call up some of your longtime friends, or maybe a family member you haven't talked to in a while. This can be your mom, this can be your dad, maybe your sister. Maybe you haven't talked to your sister in a while, maybe your brother. I need to call my brother actually. Yeah, maybe your cousin, you know, maybe you haven't heard from your cousin in a while. That always puts me in good spirits, just hearing from my dad, hearing from my sisters, making sure everything is okay on, you know, on the outside of my family, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, that is definitely a great way to check up on your people, let them know that you love them, let them know that you're thinking about them, and yeah, to help put you in a better mood as well. So don't forget to call your family. All right, number 6, and this is probably my favorite tip so far, and that is to do something that you used to love to do as a kid. So I have 4 children, so I definitely use them as an excuse to be a kid, most of the time to watch cartoons or to just not do anything all day. I definitely use my kids as an excuse, but we do it together, right? So some of my childhood things I just miss and I love doing, and that is playing like old games. So like Mario Party, Mario Kart. We love to play Pac-Man and dang, what's the other one? Like Street Fighter and stuff. Me and the boys, we love to catch up on old games. We love watching old shows. Like I'm putting my kids up on all the good shows. So they don't even make the shows like they used to do, right? So me and my boys, like we're binge watching like Ed and Eddie and like Kids Next Door and Foster's Home for Imaginary Friends. Like I mean Tom and Jerry, like Ren and Stimpy. Like I'm really putting them on everything. Courage the Cowardly Dog. Like I am putting them up on everything. And again, I use that as an excuse to be a kid again, or to like tap back into those little things that used to make us so happy that we feel like we can't do anymore because oh, we're old and we're adults now. No, probably after this video we're gonna finish up. We're watching a new Tom and Jerry today. So yeah, whip out your best, I mean, whether it's board games, I mean, it can literally be anything from your childhood that used to make you happy. Like really tap back into that and you'll be surprised how much you missed it and how much you might want to incorporate it into your life now, you know? Alright, so my last tip, my last way to raise our vibration today, and that is to write down things that you want to manifest. So when I want to raise my vibrations, sometimes I go right to my business. Sometimes I start to work, or I'll start to plan, or I'll start to post something about my business because my business is what makes me happy. The whole concept and the whole theme of my business, which is my bath business, which I have a whole setup right here. But yeah, that makes me happy because God has helped me so much with that. God has been blessing me with my sales and everything, you know, so doing something like that always makes me happy. But it can be anything. You can write down anything that you want to manifest. Maybe it's a vision board that you've been meaning to work on, or something to do with your own business, like something that's going to benefit you, financially is definitely a great way to raise your vibration, because we all love money, we all need money, so why not put some time and effort into creating more, right? So that's all I have for this video. I really hope these 7 tips to raise your vibrations is very helpful, guys. We cannot forget to put ourselves first, because we, by the grace of God, we have another 70-80 years on this earth, and we have to start taking care of ourselves now so that we can learn how to take care of ourselves later, if that makes sense. I don't really know any other way to word it, right? So yeah, that's all I have for this video. I love you guys, and yeah, we'll catch you in another one. Peace.